Hello my beautiful Cola Pops, I hope you're all staying well and staying safe. If you're new and you're stopping by, I'm your girl Nicola and you just entered Cola's Destiny. Please don't leave without showing the channel some love. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please turn on your notifications so that you'll see when I post some new content. So Fenty Beauty came out with some hot new little holiday items that are limited edition. Now she did come out with some glass bombs, and those are 4 little minis in a pack, and I didn't pick those up only because I feel like I'd be wasting my money, because I think they're too small for me to warrant the price. I would prefer to have the regular size. I do have the regular size ones you guys have seen me use before. I have these two here. These are the 2 color choices that I like. As a matter of fact, I have 2 of these ones only because I don't want her to discontinue it, and I love it so much and I can't get my hands on it. So I have 2 of these in the regular size, and I went ahead and I picked up the liquid lip. That one is a duo, so there's 2 colors in this one. I didn't open it yet. This is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to read you what it says on the website. A set of 2 mini limited edition Stunna lip paint shades, unmatched and underrated, that look incredible on all skin tones and will turn heads all night long. So this product is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. What else you need to know? These 2 high impact shades keep lips kissable and smooth for hours on end, with no feathering in sight. And that's really good to know, because there is some liquid lips that really don't do you like it. I call it monkey butt, where you like nothing in here and you just look terrible, and then it just settles in it separates the lines in your lips. Not a good look. I don't actually have any of her liquid lips, so I'm actually excited to try it. So what else does it say? The precision wand makes it easy to define and fill your pout in one stroke, while the long-lasting matte pigment is so weightless you might even forget that you're wearing it. That's also good to know, because there's a lot of liquid lips that are so dry that you can't forget that you're wearing it, because your lips are like this and you can't talk because it's just like you feel like your lips are gonna break. So they're 2 milliliter mini Stunna lip paints. So that's the quantity that you get in here. Now, I must say that when you're wearing any liquid lip, whether it's one of those cement ones or a moisturizing one, make sure that your lips are always exfoliated. There's nothing more unpleasant looking than dry, cracked lips and you have a liquid lip paint on there, even lipstick. It's just disgusting looking. So just make sure you're exfoliating your lips, keeping them moist, and if it's not, prepare your lips before you do that. So if you have to prepare your lips for 2-3 days before you decide to wear one of these, do that. But you don't want to walk around here with like dry, chapped. Just don't do it. So let's jump right into trying these out. So I'm just gonna crack it open. Very easy to open. So this one is underrated and this one is unmatched. So this is underrated. That's the shade there. I'll swatch it on my hand before I put it on my lips so you can see, because my lips are darker. Yeah, my lips are dark for some reasons, but my lips are darker, so it might come out different on, it's gonna come out different looking on everyone, I think, because of the color of your lip. And this one is unmatched, and this is a red from what I see. So let me wipe off my, okay, so I'm gonna be trying the red one first, and I won't be lining my lips because I want to see how this, Jesus. I want to see how it works on it. Okay, there we go, I opened it finally. Okay, so the applicator is pretty strange feeling, just because it's so dwarf looking. Like the wand is small, but the handle is long, so it's kind of weird. So that's the red. That's very pretty. Okay, let's go. And exactly what I said, it's really weird because when I'm doing this to apply it, I can't see what I'm doing because there's too much of this and not enough of the applicator. Okay, so I'm actually really in love with this color right now. However, I'm not in love with the applicator. It took me quite a while because I really couldn't see what I was doing. Like I feel like I looked like a child putting on lipstick for the first time, where I was, okay, let me show you guys. Do you see? Like when I'm doing this, you cannot see the applicator. It disappears. So I don't know where I'm putting it. So I did it the neatest I could. I really love this color though. Holy crap. When this comes out in a large, I'll be getting that one. And it feels soft. It doesn't feel like... It doesn't feel sticky. See? I can imagine this is going to be a little bit transfer. It's going to transfer, but oh well. But this feels good. So I'm just going to see how transfer proof it is. Just with a tissue. And I got that much. It didn't come, and my lips are literally still on. Still on. Two more places. And they still feel good. Now, that scares me because now I don't know how I'm going to take it off. To try the other color. I'm going to use some micellar water. I'm going to try that. And if not, I'll use some oil. Working. I'm such a delicate little flower that this is a lot for me to do. You see how much I love you guys? Look how I'm doing. Get that back to normal so we don't manipulate the other color. Okay, so let's try this one now. Because these are so hard to open. Okay, so let's go. Let's try this. Let's try the Dwarf applicator once again. So this is the color of the other one, guys. See, one is red and one is like a magenta berry color. So let's see what it looks like on me. I honestly don't like this applicator. It's really hard to see what I'm doing. I have to be doing one side at a time because I can't see. Like, ooh. That didn't even go on straight. So okay, let's try to fix this up. So if you guys want to rush out and get this on your own, go get it because they're amazing. They look gorgeous. I just want you to see the applicator thing that I'm talking about. It is so funny feeling. Like it, funny feeling, I don't even know if that's a real word, but it's awkward. It is so awkward. Like, it's awkward. Just leave it at that. It's awkward. However, they're pretty. Yes, honey. Hi, honey. This is giving me grown woman rich. This is what this is giving me. I like it. I like it. I do like it. I like that she picked these two shades for us because otherwise I would have never picked these up on my own. I really wouldn't. I really wanted to try the liquid lip that she came out with, and I like that she came out with the duo. However, I wish she came out with a duo full size that maybe was a little bit discounted. these I'll use them because I have them, but the honey child, we need to do something about the applicator. You don't even know what's going through my mind with the comparison to that. That's why I think I'm laughing so hard. But yeah, these are, it's pretty. It's really pretty. So do I address the elephant in the room, which is my hair? So here's the thing with my hair now. I have, this is a bob. It's a bob unit, and as you can see, this is where the hair kind of stops. I just kind of left these out because I thought they were cute in the back, right? There's more hanging out somewhere back there. But it's from Love Me Hair, and it's a kinky curly unit, and I just can't get it to work for me. Like, I put this on so many times to come on camera, and it's like, we can't do it. Just don't look right. Like, it looks pretty, and then when it dries, because it's kinky curly, it just goes, and then it just looks like a big mushroom, and I don't like that look. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna try the what is that, Black is King, the Bantu Knots, we call it China Bump. I used to hate these things when I was growing up. My mother used to comb my hair like this when I mean, I think every West Indian child went through this. When you wash your hair, you get the shiny bumps. I hated these things so much, but now we embrace them. Now, I know my Bantu knots are really baby Bantu knots, but I don't care because this is what it's giving. This is as far as it went, and I wasn't going to add any hair to make it taller, bigger, whatever. This is my version of it. See there? See there? Here it is. Anyways, I hope you guys love this video, and I hope you go and pick it up for yourself and let me know in the description box how you like it. I love the colors. Tell me if you love the colors on me. This is my complexion. This is, I mean, I have dark lips, and look how pigmented these things are. Like, it's actually really true to color. See? Very true to color. So go ahead and pick them up yourself. Rihanna, please, I'm begging you, come up with the big ones, because honey child, this won't work for me. It won't work. The applicator is just, it's a no. it's just a no. This is giving me, never mind what it's giving me. I'm not gonna say that. But the colors, the texture, it's amazing. Let me tell you, I will, this liquid lip will break the bank. I thought I liked the Too Faced, but this liquid lip come out with a queen bee for me. This liquid lip is going to break the bank. I love the formulation. I love it. It feels so exactly what it said. So exactly what it said. It feels kissable and smooth. I wish you guys could. I wish you guys could feel how smooth this feels on me. I'm so silly in this video. I'm sorry. I don't know if I'm tired or what, but these actually made me laugh. The applicator just is killing me. It's cracking me up. Anyway, Till next time, guys, I love you and stay blessed.